House in Nanjo by Spicy Architects in Nanjo, Japan. A house for a family of 3. The site is located on a hill in a residential area from the 80s in southern Okinawa. In the surrounding area, there are many uniquely Okinawan houses with a typical almost flat roof and large eaves sitting on a rectangular concrete frame. The shape of the house protects from subtropical storms and prevents strong direct sunlight from penetrating into the interior. For this project, we decided to follow the lead of our predecessors and the context the house is situated in, but with a wooden structure instead, since this was necessary considering the required functions and construction cost. The building is arranged with a garden facing south and a garage facing east. Both the shed on the first floor and the second floor roof overhang extend out to create deep shadows that protect from the intense sunlight. By adding volume to the shed and roof, we created an exterior image that is compatible with the neighborhood. For the interior finish, we achieved a canvas-like background by controlling the color of multiple materials with gray tones. Against this background, the unpainted beams and furniture are intended to stand out and give the place a sense of calm. The sense of a singular mass, achieved through volume and material control, was intended to give the space a sense of comfort and intimacy and to fit in with the easygoing local atmosphere.